On this session, I'm going to show you the NVL function and NVL2 function, and I will let you know what is the difference between both. So let's get started and demonstrate the NVL function. NVL function is a very powerful tool to convert any null values on our database, and it has this syntax. First, we have to add this NVL and this brackets and the expression one. Expression one here is the source or the database original database column, and then we tell the engine if you find any null value, please convert it to this expression 2. Okay, so let's give this syntax, show it in an example. On our next example, we are going to calculate the annual salary for the employees. So select last name, salary, and the commission. This is the salary and this is the commission, which we need to use the NVL to convert it to the 0. Let's first show you when I use the NVL what is the output. NVL here, and type the same column, then I'm telling it if you find this null, please convert it to 0. If I run this one, perfect, we get this. All of these values was null and converted to 0, and the one which has already some values, it returns the original amount on the screen. We can use this NVL to make the calculation. Now only we can make the calculation. I'm going to type here 12 plus salary, which giving us the annual salary for the employees, and say plus, and let's take this here and put name this one the annual income. If we run this one, now we have succeed on calculating the annual salary for the employees and add the salary to the commission on the column. If we go down here, the original value is as the same. Clear and perfect. Let's now move to the next function, which is NVL2, and NVL2 has, instead of 2 on the syntax itself, instead of 2 expressions, we have 3 expressions. Expression 1 is always the original, is always the destination or the original column, and we're telling the Oracle, please, if you find any value, return for me the expression 2, which I'm going to provide. If it returns null, transfer it or convert it to expression 3. Let's give this an example and open new SQL sheet and type this example. And now we are going to use the NVL2 and open brackets and type this commission underscore PCT. If it returns value, if the employee has commission, I will return here he has salary plus commission. If it returns null, we can say only salary. We're in the department ID. We're in department ID in 50, and we are taking only 2 departments as an example. If we run this one, any value has returns null, it will return the salary as I mentioned here. Anyone have already value, it returns salary plus commission. So this is the difference between both. This is 3 expressions, and this one are only 2 expressions. Perfect. On this example, we have used these tables: countries, employees, job salary, and so on. And this is a samples from Oracle, which you need if you haven't on your Oracle database or on your test. You can simply download it and install it in your machine. And if you'd like to know how to install it, just check the video shown on the left side on the screen and understand how to download it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.